Power BI Feature Overview. Learn about new centralized data loss prevention policies for Power BI. Microsoft 365 data loss prevention policies are now available for Power BI. Using Microsoft 365 compliance, security administrators can define and apply their organization's data loss prevention (DLP) policies to sensitive data in the Power BI service, giving organizations the ability to control and protect their sensitive enterprise data. Let's begin by creating a new data loss prevention policy. After naming our policy, we are ready to choose the locations we want to apply this policy to. Notice that Power BI is now available as a location to apply DLP labels to. We are now ready to create a customized DLP rule to detect the upload of sensitive data. We name it and add our content condition to match if content's sensitivity label is highly confidential. Next, we turn on user notifications, which will trigger if sensitive data is identified. We also provide a custom policy tip to help educate end users on our organization's sensitive information policies. Setting the severity level of the admin alerts and reports is our final step. Under Incident Reports, we select a level and ensure the alert is turned on. Verifying the admin role will receive the defined alert if triggered, and selecting how often these alerts will be sent, we are ready to save. And here's the rule we just created, listing the conditions and actions we selected. Now, let's demonstrate this rule in action. Here we have a data set that has a highly confidential / internal only sensitivity label. When we refresh the data set, it triggers the evaluation of the DLP policy we created, and when a condition matches, it triggers the policy tip we defined in the DLP rule. All users uploading highly confidential / internal only data to Power BI will also trigger an alert for Security Admin and Microsoft 365 compliance. Security Admin can decide whether to resolve the alert or follow up with the impacted users. New data loss prevention policies provide security admins with an unprecedented set of capabilities to prevent data leaks from Power BI. We welcome you to learn more about Power BI at these links and at powerbi.microsoft.com. Thank you for watching.